Vlogger.
Vlogger. Camera mo.
Kaano lang, mga ano lang, 5 minutes.
Ikaw na lang. Bakit anong gagawin? Play. Ano ka play na pala? Ayoko mo. Ang taas naman. Saan na yung copies daw? Nagtigas tayo ng copies. Hanap ka na copies daw.
Here we are at the farm. Brother-in-law. We are taking this string beans just to save money for food. If you don't have money to buy something, see, string beans. See this one, very small. Watermelon. Watermelon. Magaling talaga sa mga nilan.
Ito po?
Hindi ito pwede. May ano tiyat. Ano ba ito? We're going to check what's inside. Red or what? Red color or white? Let's check. It's not ready to eat. Oh, some reds. Some red colors. Tastes like water. A little sweet. Delicious.
Look.
Lasa na tika sa inyo. Let's take this one. We're going to find out. Naputi. Tastes like water. That's why it's called water melon. Thank you.
Ang dami ako kinain.
Ano hindi pa ready? Siguro ito parang dilaw. Meron silang tinutok-tok eh. Hindi yata pwede. Let's check again. Oh, pula. Mariel. Sa'yo na yung mamaya. Okay. Nakakita kami ng red.
Ito maliit eh.
Masarap na rin. It's yummy. Mas kalam pa ito. Ha? Haloy na makagula eh, tapuri na pa. Ha? Siguro. May nampalayado hoy. Patag mo.